Sentence 1.
You got a marriage proposal.
Sentence 2.
I am a wage earner.
Sentence 3.
He was oppressor.
Sentence 4.
He is a staunch person.
Sentence 5.
The situation got worse.
Sentence 6.
Anyway, now go to bed.
Sentence 7.
It will rain today.
Sentence 8.
I will tell you by tomorrow.
Sentence 9.
No one has mask on.
Sentence 10.
He fell asleep on my lap.